Hello dear students. In today's class, we'll be continuing our studies on cell interaction that comes under cell biology. Next, coming on to the another major type of junction, that is a communicating junction. The communicating junction are transfer or linkage of one cell to another, where they link in order to transfer the material directly from one cell to another. This is the pictorial representation of communicating junctions, which is one among them is a gap junction. Here you can see that on the surface of the plasma membrane, here the pores are formed. 6 pores, you can count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pores, that is, each pore is called as a connexin. These connexin together forms a connexon, where they transfer the material directly from one cell to another cell. This is the closed view of the pore, and this is the open view of the pore, and you can see the plasma membrane of one cell, and this is the plasma membrane of another cell, where they are gap junction channel. This is the extracellular space. Here all of these help in transfer of certain materials from one cell to another, like small ion can pass from one cell to another, and also the secondary metabolites like cyclic messengers can also pass through the gap junction, but it is difficult to pass the macromolecules from this gap junction from one cell to another cell. And in vertebrates, the connexons are formed. Pores are called as connexons, and in invertebrate, the pores are called as innexon. Here you can see a beautiful animation of a brain cells, that is a neurotransmission that takes place inside the brain cell, where the electricity passage that actually happens due to the gap junction. Now we'll be studying about the plasmodesmata. This is one of the type of a connecting junction that takes place inside the plant cells. The one plant cell is connected to another cell, so it forms a channel-like structure called as desmotubule, where one cell of the plant is connected to another cell, and from this channel the molecules or the materials are transferred to another cell, and the pectin molecule or the protein which is present outer layer of this desmotubule helps in the transfer of the molecules inside the desmotubule, and it also contains a primary cell wall, middle lamella, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Till now we studied about different types of junction, that is communicating junction as well as anchoring junction, and the further type of junction will be studied in the further slide.